Angel from the Natrona County Library. Today I was going to bring to you our Tween Cooking Club program. We were going to have it in March, but that didn't happen, so I thought, why not bring this recipe from my house to your house? So, what we're going to make today is called the 5-ingredient no-bake energy balls. And the reason why they're no-bake is because at the library we don't have an oven or a stove or something, so all of our recipes are no-bake. So this is a fun one. It's super easy and it's pretty tasty. All right, here's what you'll need. You'll need some oats. Now, different recipes said you could have old-fashioned oats or the quick oats. So I'll just leave that up to you. I made this recipe with the old-fashioned ones, and then this time I'm going to try the quick cooking oats. So we'll just see what happens. You'll also need some peanut butter, some mini chocolate chips, honey, and vanilla. All right, now the first thing that we always do at Cooking Club is we wash our hands, and that's especially important now. It's always important, but especially now. So I've already done that. Wash your hands really good. And then in the bowl to mix everything in. Our first ingredient, we need 2.5 cups of oats. So here's 2 and there's my half. And put those in your bowl. 2.5 cups of oats. Next, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Now you can use whatever kind of peanut butter you like. If you don't like peanut butter, you could use almond butter or cashew butter, whatever you like. So mix that in. Well, I'm just going to dump that in and mix it all together in a minute. Then you need 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of honey. So scoop that in. I hope you guys have been doing all sorts of cooking at your houses. This one's mostly healthy. There's sugar in peanut butter, but that's all right. You can use the kind that has no sugar. After the 1/4 cup of honey, you need a teaspoon of vanilla. And finally, 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. Now I say, why stop at 1/2 cup? You can use as much as you want. I'm going to switch out and use a stronger spoon here and just mix all of that together. Get it nice and thoroughly mixed up. Whoops. Make a mess if you need to. Don't tell your mom I said that. All right. Mix it up, mix it up. That'll take a little bit. When this is all mixed up, you can always get your hands in there and do it too, because sometimes it's hard to get this all mixed together. And I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to scrape that off. I'm just going to get my hands in there. Good thing they're nice and clean. And just mix it, mix it, mix it. Now, I think that you could experiment with this. Like you can experiment with the old-fashioned oats or the quick cooking oats. You can also experiment with what you put in it. If you want different kinds of chocolate chips in it, there's all sorts of different kind of chocolate chips. You could do M&Ms in it, little mini M&Ms. You can do raisins if you prefer that, if you don't like chocolate. There's all sorts of things that you can do. And again, you can experiment. You can use peanut butter. You can use all natural peanut butter with no sugar. You can use almond butter or cashew butter. There's even sunflower seed butter. All sorts of things. So, I don't know. Whatever you feel like doing at this time, whatever sounds good to you. This is all, science-y and math. So you can get all those things in. Once you have all of your ingredients really well mixed up, then you take it and you start making little 1-inch balls. Now I can show you. This is the kind I made before with the quick, not the quick, this is the old-fashioned oats, and then this is the one with the quick oats. So they're smaller, and they will absorb the liquids in there a little bit better. So you just roll them up into balls, 1-inch balls. And, oh, I was going to tell you too, obviously this is sticky, and one way to keep it from sticking to your hands is when your hands are clean, spray them with some cooking oil or put a little butter or something on it, get your hands nice and greasy, and then the balls won't stick to your fingers like this. So just roll all of that up into nice tight little balls, and when you're all done, eat them, share them, or grab this, put them, when you're done, put them in an airtight container, and you don't have to refrigerate them or anything, but you can if you want to, and share them. So I miss you guys. Wish we could do our Tween Cooking Club in person, but for now, this will have to do. So I hope that you are having a good time at home, getting all your schoolwork done, and doing some fun things too. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.